Hello everybody, and today me and Brady are launching fireworks. See all of them right here? Hey guys, so while we're waiting for the fireworks to launch, I'm just gonna do this little firework.
Jeez.
We're doing a little one to start, just cause. We don't know what this is gonna do, so we're gonna be careful.
Hey, watch out, move out of the way.
It's gonna blow! Oh, it's cool!
Wow, that's pretty cool for like a little firework. I caught that all on camera. Let's see these little things. Okay guys, so now I'm filming and this is us lighting it. Wow, I don't know what this is gonna do. It looks pretty small. Whoa!
This is like a miniature one.
It looks like it looks like a nuke from terrorizing a mini city. It was pretty cool, but it looks like it was worth $1. Okay, this is the one we're doing. It looks really cool. It's called Gold Dust.
No.
Oh. Okay, this is scary.
I can fit back into this.
Yeah, let's see. This one should be good.
Well, it's gold dust. It didn't lie.
That's cool.
That's actually really cool.
Oh!
Ooh, that's cool.
It's the flames. Flash warning. Nuke. Just like I said last one. That's all? I mean, it's pretty cool. Now it's time for the Mexican one. Oh my god, it looks pretty creepy already. Hit the deck. Uh-oh. Nuke. Brace for impact! That is so interesting. Look at how much smoke it's making. Is it gonna explode? That'd be really cool.
I think it's exploding right now, Yanni.
Whoa!
That was massive.
Okay, now we're doing the biggest
This one
one.
is called Trolling.
This is gonna be the finale. Okay, we're gonna move very far back because this is gonna be really big. Time for the finale, guys. Now move back. Run!
Chilling out.
Okay, now run.
Hey, watch out.
Oh my god, hit the deck!
I'm scared.
What?
Well, you might be.
Oh, this is creepy.
That's it? Okay.
Please explode. Come on, baby. Oh! Ah!
I feel bad for the neighbors.
Hey.
So these one were pretty good ones. Even the $1 one was good. It wasn't even lame. So I hope you like this video with Brady. Why isn't Brady that much on camera? Well, I had to film the fireworks. So yeah. So bye, guys.